Hey guys, it's your girl Jasmine back on M.BLYG's YouTube channel here with another wig review, and it is a Janet collection wig from their Melts transparent natural hairline with a 13x6 frontal in the style Lennon. I don't know, Lennon is hard to say on my tongue piercing. In the color M.BLYG/30. I'm assuming it's like a balayage color. That's probably what the abbreviation is for. It's this nice brown color. She's cute, natural. It is pre-plucked, pre-customized natural hairline. Key safe of the 360. It has an adjustable elastic wig band that is already installed. 13x6 as stated, so you can part it in any which way, and also do like a half up, half down if you wanted to. Yeah, she comes in other colors. Janet collection be keeping like the same old colors. They don't really do new colors. They keep the same roster of colors, which is cool. This wig is super cute. I wish they would put the length on it. I don't know how long she is, but she's not too long, which is good. She's a nice super cute length, and it's a very customizable and style friendly. Like, this is super cute. This is giving, like, if I was going out to dinner or something, this is a wig that I would wear because it just gives that vibe. And then I like the side part. They actually did the side part. It comes like this in the side part, but you can do a left side part if you wanted to, or a middle part, but it comes in a right side part. So I like this curved part. I like it a lot. The only thing is I did have to go in with the hot comb and some mousse just to hold this down because it was a little poofy. So I had to like hold it down, hot comb it really well so that it lays super flat. But the hair is super soft, very good quality. I ain't really experienced much shedding. It's very manageable. No tangle, I ain't get no tangle, so that's good. You can comb through the curls very easy. It doesn't get big. You got some flyaways, but that's manageable. The lace is very good, blends with the skin. The hairline is pre-plucked. I would say this actually looks pretty good. It's not that bad. I probably would pluck it a little bit more, but honestly you don't even need to. She looks pretty good, to be honest, and I probably would wear this with like no baby hairs for real because she's so cute. But yeah, I have no complaints. She fits on my head pretty good too. She's pretty snug. It's pretty flat. I don't feel any tracks, so that means she's pretty full. Yeah, I would definitely say she is big hair friendly because it comes with the elastic band. So, you know, for smaller head girls, that elastic band is more so for us probably because we need the extra fit. Because my hair is so small. Janet collection wigs kind of be too big for my hair sometimes, so yeah. And then like the ear tabs was easy to cut, fits on my ear pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this wig. She's cute. I'm loving it. Yeah, if you guys like to purchase this wig, make sure you click the link down in the description box, and if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.